Introducing the CZUR ET Max, the next generation book scanner. What can the CZUR ET Max do? It's 4K with 3800 megapixels, 410 dpi, and 24-bit color depth. CZUR ET Max captures every detail with remarkable clarity, producing crisp, high-contrast results with rich, accurate colors. Scanning glossy or shiny paper often results in frustrating reflections, but with detachable side lights, minimize glare, reduce reflection when scanning any glossy material, giving you crystal clear results with minimal light distortion every time. Plus, thanks to laser curve flattening technology, pages with curves or bends are captured flat, no more warping or distortion. It's fast. With such a powerful function, CZUR ET Max is still very fast. Simply open the CZUR app and start scanning. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. It allows you to scan at less than 1 second per page, including a foot pedal for hands-free scanning and a button for even easier control. You can scan a book in minutes. It's multifunctional, while the built-in OCR lets you convert scans into fully editable text. It supports over 180 languages. The scanner is versatile, capable of handling colored books, photos, sketches, documents, stamps, passports, and even small items. It also includes an HDMI port. Easily connect the scanner to a larger display or projector for live screen projection with higher DPI. Along with other features including smart paging, auto alignment, auto page mending, stitching function, multi-target scanning, removing the fingerprints, purifying the background, and more. CZUR ET Max is designed to deliver a premium, efficient, and high-quality scanning experience. So back us now.